So I'm going to make a pasta sauce out of some of the remaining tomatoes from the vine house. This was a homegrown. No idea what the dogs were all barking about. This is a one of the homegrown onions, and I'm only making a small amount. So let's lift up the hot plate. And sacrilege to some, but I'm going to use butter to start this whole process off. I do love my butter, and it will be delicious. So I will dice up the onion and then slice up a lot of these and add them into this pasta sauce that I'm making now. Look at that. You love a good knob of butter. Nothing like it in cooking. Butter is beautifully melted. I've diced up that yellow onion, and in it goes. There we go. Next, I'll slice up these exotic tomatoes. There's a huge variety of them. There's the yellow cherry, there's that one, there's the larger tomatoes. Oh look, some leftover bits of onion. There's this long one, tiny cherries, all different varieties, a good few different varieties of tomatoes in this, and some that aren't quite ripe, but that adds a bit of zest to the sauce, I find. You can see there's one that's not quite ripe. And then some of these cherry tomatoes here are not quite ripe, but I'm going to slice them all up and throw them in there. Now, this is cooking a bit quick as I'm dicing all these up. So I move this to the simmer plate. This is the simmer plate. So this will slow the onions down a little bit from cooking too fast. And I'll close that one and continue dicing up all these tomatoes. Now at my feet I have all kinds of cats and dogs having a lovely time. So when I'm walking around the yard, I have to be careful that I don't trod on animals. Isn't that right? Anyway, I'll keep dicing these guys. So finished dicing these. I'm leaving a few of these ones just to throw in because they can pop, which is lovely. So that's simmering away. Bring this over here. Close this one. You can see it's slowed down. It's not as noisy. Then I'll put some of these in. And then using the phone for useful cooking tool. There we go. So move those around. Oops, you landed on the side. I'll clean those up. There we go. Throw those in. I'm a messy cook. There we go. Really? Do you have to hold on to my leg? Thank you. And you can see oven mitt is completely relaxed under my feet. But you're being silly. And you're being very good.